like my plan is to get into real estate, but here in the DR, you have like to pay 30 or 40 down, 40% of down payment to get a house or an apartment.
Mm-hmm.
And in the US, you only have to put like 3 or 10% down.
Okay. And by the way, when I say the 33% rule, I also recommend you put down a 10 to 20% down payment. The goal is to own a house, not to like finance a house for like 30 years. That's why I say 15 years.
Okay, so
Yeah.
here it's more difficult to get a house.
I'm
Okay,
aware. And the
but
interest rates are higher.
huh?
And the interest rates are higher, right? The interest rates are
Yeah,
higher?
yeah, really hard.
Okay.
And yeah, and that's why I want to get out of here to get like more easier to get into real
Mm-hmm.
estate.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
So here would be my advice, right? If I lived in DR and I found a college who can transfer my credits over to the US and I can graduate basically debt free, I would focus all my everything on that and saving up money so when I come to the US I have money. Now, if you buy a home right now, for example, in the US, I mean in the Dominican Republic, right? The idea is that the rents are not gonna be that high. I understand those rents and expenses, right? It's not gonna be that high. So now you have, for example, some money locked up in the Dominican Republic. You're not there. You can't take care of the property yourself unless you have like a property management company over there. But my recommendation would be like, hey, let me just focus, for example, on getting this either a degree or getting a job in the US. Just focus on that. When you're ready to get into real estate, the first real estate you're probably gonna own is gonna be like your first property, like your own property, right, Randy? Like where
yeah,
you're gonna be living at. Once you pay that off, that means your expenses are a lot lower because basically all you have to worry about is basically taxes and insurance, and that's it, right? No, nothing crazy no more. No crazy mortgage, no renting, no nothing. Now, what you'll have is, for example, a lot more income. With that income, then if you want to buy rental properties, you can if you want to, right? You can buy a rental property, you put down 10, 20% on it, you rent it out, you try to pay it off. Once it's paid off, you move on to the next one, then the next one, then the next one, then the next one. But this way, you don't carry that much risk.
Bum 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 ba 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 ba